Welcome. Welcome. Okay, stop. Okay, cut. Let's get it. Hey guys, it's Ashley Alexandra Grell, and I'm back with another video. I just want to thank you guys for all the support, all the love you've been giving me. Thank you. So let's get into it. So today I'll be giving tips on what videos do while having a YouTube channel. I know some people like, what video should I make today, or struggling to create a video, what's not. Here are some ideas I'll be giving you guys. Some ideas I find out from other YouTubers and what I found out on my own, along with some ideas that my daughter Bertina gave me. So let's get into it. So first of all, I have a book right here with everything that I have wrote. So let's get into it. First, you can do a challenge, whether it's trending challenge or not, like eating 100 nuggets. you know I had to mention food, like eating 100 nuggets. That is not healthy, but yeah, you guys catch the idea what I'm trying to say. Also a DIY, you guys can create something on your own. Yeah, do it yourself. Also a Q&A where you get people to ask you questions, whether on Instagram, Snapchat, WhatsApp, whichever platform you choose. Honestly, how I edit my videos, my YouTube videos, that is a very important topic, honestly. Like, a lot of YouTubers out there, and new YouTubers, small YouTubers developing like me, are looking for some tips. So that would be a good video to make to actually get a lot of views. I did starting a YouTube channel. That is another tip, starting a YouTube channel. How to start a YouTube channel, and honestly that got a lot of views. I was happy. So yeah, you guys can do that video. Also a skincare routine. I have gotten requests to do a skincare routine, and I'll be doing a skincare routine on it. Right now I have on a foundation, what's not, but you guys can see from my previous video, like, I don't wear any makeup. I wouldn't say my face is like perfect, but honestly, from how it was before to how it is now, like, I'm gonna give you guys a skincare routine. Continue with the video. So yeah, a food try is like a food try. You basically trying out food, something you haven't tried before, and you're actually recording it. So something you have never tried before, and you're actually trying it, but just on camera, so your viewers can actually see your actual reaction, what's not. You can also do reaction videos, if I haven't said that before. A reaction video for like something that is trending. I would say, if you're a small YouTuber, doing a reaction video to something that is currently trending is a great idea to actually attract new viewers to your channel and what's not. Because, for example, there are some YouTubers have drama. Not everyone into the drama like me, but I'll do a video in order to gain views and make people aware of my challenge, I will do videos in order to get people aware of my YouTube channels and attract new customers. Not customers, but viewers. You guys know what I mean. But yeah, also asking, I said that already. A mukbang, basically. you know, I'm gonna be doing a mukbang because I love to eat. So I'll be doing a mukbang. Basically you buy so basically you buy a lot of food, not like a lot of food, but you buy food and you talk about a topic or whatever on your mind. It don't have to be something, yeah, whatever is on your mind, you write about and what's not. Or you can do a prank on someone, your mom, your aunt, one of your family members, your friend, or whatever. You can do a prank. Like, I have a prank on my sleeve that's coming, but I'm not sure if I should do it because the person who I want to do it on might end up knocking my head into something. I should say. So yeah. Also you can give advice. Like, there's a lot of people out there that's looking for advice, that's struggling with stuff, that are afraid to actually open up to tell someone what's been going on. So you creating like an advice channel will be really beneficial to them, honestly. And cause some people, you really don't know what they be going through, and your video can be, some people are suicidal, so not to bring up that sensitive topic, but your video could prevent someone from doing something that would harm themselves. So just be aware of what video you're actually creating about someone, and giving advice is a great way. Yeah, I'll be doing that because this is only positive vibes only on this channel. Yeah, sometimes we'll be getting into some things, but yeah, it's all look of love. Like, yeah, you can do a clothing haul where you buy clothes like from Fashion Nova, Forever 21. I saw it first, boo hoo, Pretty Little Thing. You know, Pretty Little Things is my thing. So yeah, a room tour. You can actually do a room tour. I was thinking on that, but I'm not sure yet. But you guys can do a room tour. You guys can do a flat with roommates and what's not. You guys can do a college routine. You can do school or school routine, whatever the case may be. You can do get ready with me. That is a great idea. You can do a summer/spring haul. You can do what's on my iPhone or what's on my whatever phone you have. Honestly, whatever on your phone, you can do what's on my phone. I wouldn't be doing that. I would not be. And let me stop saying that for you guys think, yeah, she's sneaky, she got some stuff inside her phone. But yeah, I might, but yeah. So yeah, you guys can do a hair review on whether you purchase a wig, some weave, you know. Although we have natural hair, we like to add some inches to it, switch it up, and what's that? You can do a video on your favorite YouTubers, and when doing the video, in your title you should put their name and what's not to actually attract people and get people attention. Like, for some people, like, once you mention their and Ken, they'll watch your video and what's not. So yeah. So other thing, when you're doing a video, make sure you have a catchy title. Now to a catchy title, like, oh my gosh, you wouldn't believe what just happened to Chris, or something like that. And then your thumbnail be like, oh, with like the oh. you guys know what I mean. But yeah, you can do a movie review, put a little short clip because you don't want to get in trouble for copyright. So you put a little short clip of the video and what's not. and do your personal review on your favorite movie or a movie, what's that. You can also talk about movie. You can do your top 10 Netflix movie, or like a Netflix suggestion, Netflix series. You can do your everyday makeup routine. I would do that, but I don't do much. I don't really wear makeup, but when I do, it's like nothing much. It's nothing much. So yes, you can do a makeup challenge or like a makeup tutorial if you're good at doing makeup. Even though you're not good at doing makeup, you can also attempt it. You can do a celebrity makeover. If you're good at makeup, you can create a celebrity look, or even like a celebrity hairstyle, whatever is your personal preference. You can do a prank call on someone. That'd be really interesting. I did that a while ago, well, like a while back, with my cousin Regine. Like, we were doing craziness, but yeah, like showcase your lipstick and what's not. Talking about lipstick, another video I would suggest is a comparing video. So like MAC versus Fenty, and after in your title you put MAC versus Fenty, and in your thumbnail you put like a MAC product and a Fenty product and what's not. So to gain people attention, as another video another doing a review on a product would be a good idea, honestly. A playlist video, so your personal music, what you like and what's not, you can do a playlist to get people in a mood. Or if you're like my friend, I ain't gonna mention her name, but if you're like my daughter yeah, you know, and you don't listen to sound music, I don't want to hear playlist. I don't want to hear playlist. I don't want I don't hear playlist. So I like, okay, if you're a person that listens to like sad music, you could do a playlist, but I personally, I might be watching it like if I'm in, I don't know why, when we're in a sad mood, we listen to sad songs to get us more emotional. It's like, wow. Anyways, yeah. But you guys can do whatever playlist you guys feel like, honestly. Oh, that's it. Yeah, that's it. You can do a best friend tag. If you have a best friend, you and her could do something together, a sister tag, what's not. Or just a friend if you don't have a best friend or what's not. Yeah. Yeah. That's it. Everything is check. So yeah, just double checking to see if I left anything. Oh, hello. Love you guys so much. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram at ajaylee.01. That is AJAELE.01, and on Snapchat at exo28_beauty. It will be right down below. So yeah. Yeah, that's it. Thank you guys for watching this video once again. Don't forget to like and subscribe. You guys, I will appreciate you guys share this video, post it on your IG story, and tag me to get a repost and what's not. Show me some love. Show you get some love, some sugar. So yeah, thank you guys for watching this video. See you guys in my next video.